Hey, shalom everybody! Let me show you how I make rice water in 3 different ways. And this is what we need: a large bowl, glass jars with lid and some rice. Here I'm adding in long grain, jasmine, brown and basmati rice. Sticky rice is also a good rice to use for rice water. First, now we will wash the rice to get the dirt out. Rinse it 2 to 3 times. Now use the glass jars to measure the amount of water you will need. For myself, I am fine with using tap water. It is the same I use when taking a shower, so my hair is used to it. If you are in a region with bad water quality, use purified or filtered water. Now use your hand to squeeze the starch out of the rice till the water becomes milky. Now using a strainer to fill up a pot, making sure no rice be left in there. Discard the crushed rice into the trash. No need to keep it since we got all nutrients out of the grains. Let's now place the pot on the stove. Have it on medium-high to start with. Now I am adding in grapefruit peel and lime and also ginger fiber. keep some peels out, we will place those into the jars we'll be filling up with rice water. Place the lid on and let it boil up. When it starts to boil, we will lower down the temperature and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. After the time is over, we turn off the heat and let the pot stand off for 15 minutes before pouring into the jars. And now in this version here, I added in grapefruit peels, mango skins and ginger fiber. And the last version we make here, proceed like at the start with rinsing the rice and crushing it between our hands till the water is milky. Whenever I have fruit skins like mango, pineapple, watermelon and citrus, instead of throwing to my compost, I place them in freezer bags and freeze them. They are very great for making rice water. Keep that in mind. Don't throw them out. And once again, strain it to a pot and let it boil up. Preparing the peels now by cutting them into stripes. This time we are using pineapple, lemon and watermelon. Again, keep some of those peels because we will be placing them into the jars where we pour the rice water in. And like before, as soon as it starts to boil, turn down the heat, keep the lid on and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. And when the time is up, we strain it into the jar and voila! Finish, all done! Congratulations, you just finished your first own rice water. These jars you can store up for months now. I recommend before using, let them sit at least 4 to 6 weeks. When using, use a funnel to add the content into a spray bottle and work it into your hair. You can leave it on your hair from 30 to 60 minutes or even longer, then rinse out with water. The time you do the rice water treatment, don't use shampoo or conditioner, only rinse out with water. The day before you start using it, use shampoo and conditioner to wash your hair. You will notice a change by using it long term.